Hey guys, let's check out this thumb action camera that I received for reviewing purposes. I think that it's really nice because, well, it can connect to an application to your cell phone and you can have it streaming directly to you, and it also can turn. Okay, let me show you. This is the main unit. You can see it's literally like a thumb. You can hold in here to place the lanyard, the controllers on this side, and this is a really nice sized camera. As I've said, it has a USB Type C port right here. You can twist it, okay, around, which I think that it's really nice. Okay, I'm gonna set it up in here a bit. This is like a lanyard that you can use, so it sticks to you. Okay, you can have it underneath your clothes. And just being like that, okay, which I think that it's really nice. You can use it to record when you're going upon the gym, when you're outside, outdoors, doing a hike or anything like that. I think that it's really nice. Okay, let's see what else comes inside. We get the user manual with all the important information about it, how to use it, all the accessories that it gets. You also get the instructions on how to pair it upon the mobile application, which I think it's really nice. And here we got some more manuals, and lastly, get in here a 64 gigabytes memory card and a USB A to Type C charging cable. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and take all the plastic covers that are protecting it, and now I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on. Okay, we can see that it turns on, and I can see myself. Okay, so the main camera, it has a nice quality. I can see myself. Okay, I can use it to record like this or anything like that. It's really nice. We can see the quality, and can set it up the resolution, set it up for 2K. We can take photos, which I think that it's really nice. I'm gonna go ahead and start place the memory card so we can be recording without having to connect it to the application. Okay, and we can hit record. Okay, as you can see right now, I'm recording through the little camera. I think that it's really nice. It has magnets, so you can place it upon, well, um, metal surfaces. This I can leave it like there and record me play some guitar. And something that I think that it's really nice is that you can just record when you're doing some outdoors activities, running, hiking, or anything like that at all. So let's go ahead and we'll take different kinds of videos around. I'm gonna go ahead and test it out through the day, and we'll see in which kinds of different situations we can use it and how it can be helped. Okay, so let's go. I think that it's really nice because it just weighs around 35 grams, which offers a really nice portability to this camera. You can take it with you anywhere, anytime, mount it on different spaces with its magnets, and I think that it's nice because you can use it as a chest camera to capture any kind of moment that you want, and that way you got your hands free to do any kind of activity and still being able to record with a first person view or first person perspective, which I think that it's really great. And as I've said, it also supports an application that you can connect it with your cell phone, and you will be able to mount the body cam and use the app to preview all the kind of videos that you want. You can being live previewing the videos, play them back, and download them upon your cell phone, which I think that it's really great. It has a really powerful magnet designs that, as I've said, it's really nice because that way you can place it anywhere that you need it. The lens is 180 degrees rotable, which I think that it's nice because it also lets you adjust the angle and handle different shooting scenarios when you need it. You can record all your daily life and adjust camera angle so you can have a really nice view. And it is equipped with a 1.47-inch HD displays, which also provides the visual recording of the videos, and it comes equipped with a 64 gigabytes memory card that can support long time recording and save the videos. The camera has some looping functions to meet all the kind of different shooting needs or multiple scenes activities that you can record, which I think that it's really very nice. You can use it to vlog around, use it with your pets, and when you're at the gym, going for a hike, or just living around and take like a little time lapse of stuff that happens around, which I think that it's really great. Another function that I think that it's nice is that you can connect it with a USB Type-C to your computer, and as you can see, it will pop up two different options. First, we have the storage mode that can let us see all the different files of the videos, but most importantly, we have the camera function that will be allow us to use our device as a camera for our computer, and that way we can still being able to record. And as you can see, I think it has a really nice qualities to it. It looks perfectly. It doesn't have that much latency, which I think that it's great, and you can use it to stream, record any kind of videos upon it. And overall, I think that it's a really nice camera set. You can use it in many different occasions, many different places, outdoors, indoors. I think it has a nice video quality that you can adjust different settings, which I think that it's really great. Overall, I think that it's great, and I will really recommend it. See you guys.